Hi friends and fellow locksmiths, good day. If ever you encounter this kind of cabinet lock and you have any trouble on picking it, because actually it's really difficult because of the keyway, there is an easy method for this to open it up. I had exploited the weakness of this kind of cabinet lock, and what you should do is you should make a dummy key out of any used key, and this kind of key is having a channel from this side here, and this should be flat. The width of this stem here is 4.5 millimeter, and on at the tip of this key is 3.5 millimeter. It has a length of 22.7 millimeter. So that means when you have the use key which is compatible, which can be inserted from this left side of this keyhole here, like that, then that's can be used to try and take this core out. And what you should do again from this key is to try and have a cut on this tip here, just a little bit. I hope you can see it. This is from this. It is very little things from this here. It look like warded it up, and you don't need to pick this to open. All you have to do is remove the core with this key, insert the key, and by the way, I should mention this little cut here from the tip so that it will go through the keyway, because if it is the same size as 4.5 millimeter, it will stuck, because at the end there is a retaining wiper disc pin which will stop this key if it is the same size as 4.5 millimeter. So this is 3.5 at the tip. Okay, so what you should do with this kind of cabinet lock is insert the key fully. Okay, insert the key fully, then wiggle it and try to pull it out until you touch that retaining wiper disc at the end of this cylinder here. So okay, do like this, pull the key out, see that, until the core is about to get out from the key, and then continue until the whole core of this cabinet lock is out. And this is the pin which I mean. This is the last one, the last pin. This is the last pin here. This is the one that you should be trying to reach, and by this key, with its warded, you can pull it down, and you can pull this cylinder out, and then opening this, all you need is a screwdriver which is wider enough to reach that a slot there, and then either you turn it whichever it opens, and then you can open the cabinet. There's no need to pick this kind of cabinet lock. And then if ever you have blanks for this, I don't know if there is, then you can make a key for it. And this is this type wiper pin. Okay, I show you one. Okay, so this is the type of this pin which is inside, right? You see that there are two tooth on it. Okay, there are two teeth. There are two teeth, which is look like dimple locks using this type wiper. Okay, so that's how it is. And again, when installing it, just take note, there are four corners of it, but there is one corner which is a little bit rounded. So this rounded corner will coincide with the rounded corner of this inside lock also. So it will goes like this. So align the rounded corner with the rounded corner there inside, and then post all the pins including the retaining wiper like this, and then that's it. So that is lock again. Okay folks, so that is the simplest way to open this kind of cabinet lock. No need to pick it up. All you have to do is just remove the core by the fabricated key, which I said would have a little cut from the side of this, and this is the canal here in which it will goes in from the left side of that. See that? And then you pull it out until it comes out. Okay, so that is the easiest way folks for this kind of cabinet lock. No need to make a pick tool for this. That is the weakness of it. Thanks for watching and good day.